Hello all, here if you want to learn Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB by doing a real-time application. So here we are building an e-commerce application for farmers with the inspiration of Amazon e-commerce application. So here first we are focusing on the backend part and so that we are implementing this project. So here in this process, we understand what is a REST API, what are the CRUD operations, and we have implemented basic CRUD operations using just a simple routing and the help of Express and on the simple JavaScript object. Then we started learning what is a data, what is database, what is a relational database, and here we have implemented CRUD operations using a MySQL, and then we understand what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL, and we have started learning MongoDB, and we have implemented CRUD operations using MongoDB shell. Then through Express application, we have implemented routing part, and at the same time we have used mongoose and then implemented CRUD operations using that, and we have created a schema for at least for one users collection, and then we understand what is a middleware. This is very important. That's the middlewares are the heart for the Express applications, and we have separated the route logic into the controller like MVC pattern and as part of middleware topic, and we have understood some inbuilt middlewares, and then custom error handler middleware and validation using mongoose schemas, and some another interesting topic that is Express async handler. Okay, so far we have completed all these fundamentals, and now we are going to enter into the most important topic, that is authentication and authorization part. So please, if you complete all these sessions, then you're absolutely ready to implement this JWT authorization also. So this is really awesome. I'm not saying that I can finish in 1 hour. So I'm going to explain in detail, and we are going to implement this JWT in our application. In this process, we are going to understand what is the difference between a session based authorization process and a JW, in which situation JWT is going to be very useful, and is there any limitations for JWT? Is JWT is going to provide 100% security or not? And in this process, we are going to understand what is cookies and what is session storage, what local storage. And of course, once we implement this backend part, then we are going to focus on front end, and we are going to implement the front end part with the help of Next.js 13. Okay, Next.js is a full-fledged framework on top of React.js library. Okay, React.js is a library on top of JavaScript. That is the most popular JavaScript library. So we are going to build complete full e-commerce application, so with our own idea. So if you have done this application, if you learn all these things, okay, definitely if you mention these things in your resume, then definitely you will get a better opportunity. Okay, so in this process, suppose if you're watching these videos and you're doing practice, but if you got some questions or if you didn't understand any concept, no problem, you can just comment in on any particular video. I will reach out to you and I will explain to you. And in this process, every week we are going to connect live session, we are going to conduct the live session, so in that you can ask your questions. So definitely I will try to help you. So hopefully you love it, right? So yeah, just please click on like button and just add comments, that if it is useful, just add a comment like useful, or I think some of you already are doing practice, so just share your feedback. Why I'm asking this feedback and comments now, whenever we add some comments or some feedback on that particular video, then only the YouTube will send the notification or something to other people. So if you want to help other people who are looking for this kind of training or subject, so no problem, just add meaningful comments, and if you are interested, otherwise no need. Okay, thank you, and get ready to learn authentication and authorization with the help of JWT. Of course, JWT is particularly for authorization process, and authentication also we can implement with other techniques. Thank you. And of course, I just recorded this on November 11th. So tomorrow we are going to celebrate Diwali. So happy Diwali to everyone. Okay. Bye bye.